welcome 2024.
Here. And with the bang, start with the bang. Thank you for all the learnings in 2023 and more focus on 2024.
Goodbye late 2023, hello early bird 2024.
Hi, I'm Nico from Diagnostic Imaging Solutions. So, thank you sa learnings ko and challenges sa 2023. I learned a lot. We learned a lot from that. But ngayon 2024, ang wish ko lang, first of all, sana with the help and guide of Him sa taas na makabawi kami sa benta sa Diagnostic Imaging Solutions.
Hi, thank you sa aking mga learnings this 2023 and focus 2024 is mas madaming mabenta like our CR ng ultrasonic sheets and other modalities. Give glory to God.
Thank you 2023 and welcome 2024. We will hit our target.
Welcome 2024! Hello Team BTC. 2023 has been very tough on us and I know we are tougher. So for 2024, I wish a very prosperous and healthy new year for all of us. So welcome aboard and have a great year.
Goodbye 2023. Welcome 2024.
Focus this 2024!
This 2023, I've learned to be open to change. And this coming 2024, hopefully be more brave or valiant.
Ang mga natin 2023, 2024, wala na sana ubo.
For my message for 2023, thank you for all the lessons, for the bad memories and the good memories. And for my message for 2024, I am ready.
Endless gratitude for 2023 for new beginnings and welcome 2024. Welcome lang.
Goodbye 2023 and more on sakit 2024.
Focus this 2024.
Thank you, 2023. Welcome to 2024 to Variance Trading Corporation.
Thank you and goodbye 2023. Welcome 2024. Okay na.
Goodbye 2023. Welcome 2024. Good health and more blessings to everyone.
Goodbye 2023. Thank you for blessing and welcome 2024. More blessings and prosperity.
We worked hard in 2023. Now it's time to play hard in 2024. We are Variance Trading Corporations. Happy New Year!
Goodbye 2023. Hello 2024. Paalam 2023. Welcome to 2024. Focus this 2024.
Focus this 2024.
Hi BBC! Gratitude 2023 moving forward and upward. And hello dear 2024, let's conquer success together!
Goodbye 2023. Hello 2024. Wishing our loving company to have even more projects. Thank you.
Thank you 2023 and good luck 2024.
Magkaroon ng ipon para sa kinabukasan at sa pag-aaral ng mga kapatid, pagtutuloy din ng mga
Goodbye 2023. Good luck sa 2024. Sana maging okay ng lahat-lahat.
Focus this 2024.